In this section, we will dive into Python modules. A module is simply a file containing Python code. Any Python file with .py extension can be imported and used as a module in other programs. Creating a module is as easy as defining functions and variables in a Python file. This modular approach helps to keep related code together. Once created, modules can be imported into Python scripts using either import statement or from import syntax, giving you access to all modules functionality. Python comes with a rich standard library of built-in modules like OS, SYS, and Math that provides ready-to-use functionality for common tasks. Third-party modules can also be installed using pip Python installer package. For larger projects, you can organize the related modules into package by placing them in a directory within an __init__.py file. When a module is imported, Python searches for it in a specific sequence of directories specified in sys.path variable. Here is the practical example of creating and using module in Python. First, we create a file called mymodule.py. This contains a simple greeting function. This function takes a name parameter and returns a personalized greeting. Then in another file, we can import this module using the from mymodule import greet statement. This gives us the direct access to greet function. This demonstrates the power of modules. We can define code once and reuse it across multiple scripts or applications. By mastering the modules, you will be able to structure the projects more effectively and take full advantage of Python's batteries included philosophy.